Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Medicare apps, Flutter's inside. Today we need to develop this here, the add cards UI we need to start it here. First of all, we need to see this designs inside the XD files. Now we need to open this here, the XD files. And similar to make like this here, the designs we need to making here. But we need to not like this, we need to center two same parts we need to create like here. And let's start how to write down inside the flutters. First of all, so need to need here to create here the new files and to give this here the name add card screen dot dots like this. Write down here, create here the stateful widgets, and we need to give this here the name add card screens, and we need to create here the imports here the material dependency, and now need to save. First of all, need to open this here the screen connections. We need to set here establish. Now we need to find out here the make make payment screens, and we need to find out here the add cards buttons here. uh, we need to put here context dot post extension methods need to call here. If you not see here the second video, please first of all the see here the second video, otherwise not understand why like this right here these methods in explain in details. Now need to write down here, need to set here the add screens, add card screens, and to save here like here. And now need to go inside the appointment booking screens similar to this designs UI. Need to copy and paste and to change here like here. Need to use here. Now we need to copy this here the scaffold appointment screens. We need to first of all the copy here this value and this scaffold. Go inside the add screens and we need to put here. And now need to remove this here the click events. Also import this here the color extensions. Now need to first of all the change this here the name make payment to need to change this here the add card number like this. We need to set here. Now we need to remove this here the date pickers, no needs. Need to clean this here the code like here and need to save here. Now need to click and also need to change this here the name add your card, set here the titles and save this here. Now click on add cards and opening like this here the screens. First of all, put this here the card image in tops. Now need to go here and need to create here the row, and we need to give this set here the main axis alignments. We need to set here the center like here. Now we need to put image assets, and we need to already put inside the asset this image. We need to go card image, copy relative path and to paste this here. Now we need to give this here the width context dot put here the width extension variables need to use here, and multiply by need to screen with 55% width need to given this here and set here, and similar to designs need to showing here. You need to decrease this here, so need to set here the 20, and again so need to copy and paste this between, give this here the space. Now need to card holders name titles need to set replace with here the date titles like here. Then after card number titles so need to put here, and we need to set here the enter name like here. Maybe make mistake, copy here, remove here, and look like this here the showing here. Card numbers inside we need to different way, we need to decrease this here, and also need to give this here the text alignments. First of all the configures here text alignment, and we need to set here the dot center like here. Now we need to set here any like here placeholders we need to set, and also need to set here the keyboard type text input types, set here the number. Like configurations are the needs, and also need to set this here the margins and paddings. You need to clean here. Now convert into the first of all the row, wrap with here the row, and we need to write down here the expand, wrap with here the expand widget, expandable. Now again you need to copy this and to put this here the 3 times, paste here and save this here and look like this here the similar to show. And then after you need to create again, so you need to give this here this row padding, set here the symmetric horizontals. You need to set this here the 14 paddings because already 8 are the givens. That's why I need to set this here the 8 already givens, then to give this here the 12 horizontal like this set similar to designs. You need to put here and look like this here the showing here. Now need to validate through, need to put here again, so need to copy this here the card numbers here and to replace with here this data. Now need to set here the titles valid true and need to remove here the 2 times this text fields, no needs now because here the date, and need to set here the flags as a set here the 2 similar to like this designs. We need to making here and we need to change this here the month, look like this here, and here show here the year like here like this configures. And now again so need to copy and to draw here the CBV, need to again copy here and we need to paste this here. Now we need to set here the titles CVV slash CVC, and again so need to copy and to set this here the titles. And now we need to give this here the containers, remove this here the expand, no needs now because we need to give this here the fixed width, set here the width. We need to configure this here the width as 100 and look like this similar to designs. We need to show here. Now need to set here the titles again, copy here and now need to paste here and we need to set this here the 3 or 4 digits, need to put here and look like this here the show and increase this here the some width space. We need to set here the 8 and const value, save here similar to designs. Need to create and now need to give this here the some space, size box, give this here the height space. We need to configure here, you need to set here the height space as 13 and comma and const value like years, show like years, and to set this years. And one more things we need to convert into the scroll view. Now wrap widgets and to give this here the single child scroll view. And we need to set here the scroll because sometimes we need to opening this here the keyboards and to not space, then to cut this here the UI overflow issue. That's why I need to putting here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.